Hi everyone, I'm so glad to see you back. Probably all of you are wondering where we are and what we're doing now. Finally came back to our home country, Lithuania, and here is freezing cold. You wondering why we're here? For a long time I had an idea to have my own permanent studio. And this is why we are here. So we are at the spot and I will show you the space now. Let's go. Ta-da! Do you like it?
Amazing studio, bro.
Thank you very much. We want to renovate this place and make our own studio. As you see, we still need to do a lot of work and we need to start from the scratch because it's a huge mess here. Stay tuned. Yeah, my favorite. I love them as well.
So what are the changes?
Okay, guys. This place is 4 by 6 meters. It's perfect size for one car. Probably we're not gonna be able to fit here some big car, van or truck, but we're not planning to work on them. And as you see, we have tools, benches, boxes, a lot of old stuff. And everything needs to go. We already thought about design and we have two options: go dark or stay light. Because as you see, we have a white wall and we have some OSB panels on this wall and on this wall. But actually, as you see, this wall have a lot of crap on it. Even this shelves, everything is kind of drilled to this wall and we need to remove. And it's gonna be a big job to do that. And floors, we need to do something with the floors because they look very bad. And as you see, it's not enough light. I already know what kind of light we're gonna fit here. We're gonna go LED lights 60 by 60 centimeters and we will fit 6 lights. It's gonna be 24,000 lumens in this place. I hope it will be enough light. And as well, we will add some lights on the walls. I already ordered LED strips, RGB LED strips, which is dimmable and you can control it on the app on your phone, and I hope this light is gonna look really sick. If you know, in Lithuania at the moment it's super cold, it's December, it's winter, and today is -1 and winter is just starting. It's very cold, and one super cool part about this garage is heated floors. I'm super excited about that. I will be able to lay on them
All day long.
all day long. As you see, a long process is waiting for us. Are you excited?
Yeah, can't wait to see this place clean.
Oh yeah. As well, my dad gonna join us a bit later to help with cleaning. So let's begin.
Let's have a look. What do we have here?
Yeah, probably all of you who owned old cars know what's that. You need to put a, I know, tape player there to listen to music. Tape player, I don't know how to call it. Tape call. Oh, this is even more cool. Cooler thing, yeah?
Ooh. Yeah, videotape.
Videotape. I know where to find these tapes, but yeah. Oh, this is so exciting. If you don't know, guys, I used to own magazine probably 9 years ago. And this was the first number when we started doing that. And everything.
What's the name?
Name was Cukrus, Info Cukrus. It's in English will be Info Sugar. Yeah, it's funny, but yeah, I used to own the magazine. It's very excited, and we have a lot of crap here, my old speakers, old microphones, because I used to work with, I used to be DJ, I used to work in the nightclubs, playing music, and I have a lot of kind of old stuff which we need to throw in the bin. A lot of cables, even look at this one. Do you remember, some of you? 90s, 80s? That's crazy. And look at these old cables. Because when I left Lithuania more than 8 years ago, my parents packed all my stuff and left in this garage, and now we need to check what is still usable and what we need to throw in the bin, because I think a lot of old stuff need to go in the bin. Probably only magazine gonna stay with me just for memories. Okay. Today my plan is to remove everything from the shelf. Ooh. I have some peep here. I completely forgot I left it last year here. Nice. My dad just arrived. Let's open gates and start cleaning this mess. Guys, please meet my dad, Rimas. Hi. He's gonna help us to clean this mess, and we need to be in rush because sun goes down and it will be too dark. Let's do it. We're done for today. It's still huge mess, but most important part was to remove all heavy stuff, metal stuff, and this is what we loaded everything to my dad's car, and we will continue working in this space upcoming Saturday because we need grinder and cut all these metal things because they are welded to the wall. Let's bring the car inside and check how much space we have. Let's do it. Some space there?
Yeah, it's okay.
You should guide me.
You can go a bit more. A bit more. A bit more. A bit more. Stop.
Let's check. What I can say, it's gonna be a bit tight, but after we're gonna move everything out, should be right. Because on the sides we have enough space just for the front and back. I still have maybe 50 centimeters at the front, and when I will move car forward, I should have like 1.5 meter to work on this car.
Yeah, all this will go away as well.
Yeah. Sweet. As you see guys, our new space a bit tight, but we're gonna make it work. That's it for today. Stay tuned for our studio updates. Leave a comment below what do you think about our new place. And if you have any suggestions, you're more than welcome to share with us. It's me, Virus, from my garage. I will see you next time. Bye.